Do you want to spend some quality me time in bed with the lights on before going to sleep, but then find yourself in this tangled mess of wires and broomsticks? Or maybe there are times when you need to cram your deadlines everywhere you go, but then you realize your lamps are not portable? Well, we got you. Hi, it's Group 10 here, and this is our Lamporghini, the answer to all your prayers. So, our progress involves 5 main stages: empathy, problem definition and statement, ideate, prototype, and testing. About the first stage, empathy, well, from a personal perspective and a small-scale research within the school, we understand the common struggle with lighting options when it comes to working or chilling in places where power sockets are scarce, maybe on the bed or when you travel per se, plus the addition problem to turn our lights off because maybe we just fall asleep mid-working, or simply because it's not convenient. With that in mind, we underline 2 main problems with existing solutions. The first one is the lack of portability, and the second one is the lack of interactions between the users and the device. Concerning the first problem, we noticed that a great number of existing products rely on electricity, which means they have to be close to power sockets and thus not travel-friendly. And about the lack of interactions, we basically cannot tell the usual lamp to turn off in a future time because whenever we want it off, we need to click the buttons manually to send that message forward, and this is not falling asleep friendly. So, to solve all these annoying problems, we started making the lamp of our dreams. To design our lamp, we did some extensive market research about the functions and the structure that we wanted our lamp to have. And during that process, we needed to change our designs a couple times and had some back and forth loops between ideation and prototyping before reaching our final design. We basically have 3 designs, and with the first 2, we struggled with portability. We didn't know how to make the lamp move and fold in ways we wanted to, so with our last design, we make it into a Z posture so that it can fold into a box to be carried around, and we use hinges, yes, the kind for doors, to allow our lamp to be adjustable. After finalizing the structure of our lamp, we moved on to designing the little parts to form it. Basically, we have 3 parts: the base, the body, and the top. The base contains the wire system, the body holds the lamp up and allows some wires from the base to go inside it and up to the top where our LED strip lights are. Each and every of these is created as a hollow box to contain the required equipment. And about the material, we decided wood for the base and mica plastic for the body and the top because the base needs to be heavier than the other parts to make the lamp stand. Now, on to prototyping and testing. The progress where we crafted our baby is too painful and prideful to be described in words, so please watch and just see what happened. What you're seeing on the screen right now is the automatic screen of the lamp whenever you turn it on, which is the real-time clock. The first button to the right here can be used to change between the functions of the lamp, which allows us to set the timer for the lamp to turn its lights off, to set the alarm time, and to adjust the real-time clock that you've just seen in the beginning. The middle button is used to change between different modes of each function, while the last button helps us adjust the values of each mode. Please check out the following example to better understand how this works. We're clicking and stopping the first button at the desirable function, which is timer. And now with the second button, we're choosing between the modes of hour, minute, second, and whether we want the timer function to be on or off. But this last mode should only be tackled after we are done choosing the time. So right now, we're going back to the timer clock And with the third button, we are choosing the time by adjusting the hour, minute, and second respectively. In this example, the time is 16:19 and we want the lights to be off at 16:20. So 16:20 is the number we are going for. After we are done choosing the time for our timer, we are activating the timer function and waiting for the magic to happen.
A few moments later.
Wow!